Welcome to the Blue Bike and Doors channel with another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Well, I'm just trying to think up a new name. Yep. Welcome to the Road Glide and Doors channel. Road Glides and Doors channel. Road Glides Realities. RG and 1969. Bikes, beards, and road boobies. Here's two road glides. DB205, DB770. Mr. Road Glides. Gliding on road glides. My road glides. Dicking around with the glides. Road glides, S10s in the shed. East by the southwest. Doil it yourself. Now, Locking Pliers Shed. Georgia Rides. The blue and black doors. No. RGs and sheds. Welcome to the RG and shed. I can't even say that. Don't even skip over that. Well, anyway, run that intro to whatever. Oh, I don't have nothing planned. Welcome to the Doil from Georgia channel. Oh, me. I don't feel like doing nothing. Need to get that bumper back on the S10. It's about ready. Let's do that. Alright, well, I got the bumper back together. The bumper and the spoiler. It needs to be washed. That's alright. We'll get it later. It's patina. Alright, I'm going to start on this side, so I got 50-50 chance of getting it right. Because it's a sequential, so it goes one way. And I want it to go the right way, not the wrong way. Key on. Blinker on. Beep boop, beep boop, beep boop. So I hope yellow is the blinker, white's hot, and black's ground. The only way to find out. The red's lights on all the time. So let's get black. Turn it off. Nothing. Great. You know why it wouldn't work? Because I had the FedEx man. Maybe he's got something for me. Alright, well, at least there's a different person every time they deliver out here. That works. The reason why it wouldn't work a while ago, got to turn the headlights on it. Yeah. So let me get these put together. I mean, just pretty much putting them together, putting the heat shrink on them, and button them up. Then we can put the bumper on. Okay, now you get to watch me struggle putting the bumper back on. So, circus. Goes on top, I think. Like so. Then it's gotta come over. It fits in them thingies. Right there is where it's supposed to be. There's little tabs that stick out. That kind of helps hold it. There it is. That's all, folks. Somehow it got tweaked. I don't know. Let's see if we can't. That's not the boat that goes there. Where did these go from? These are boats. Forced. I feel it raining. These looks like these goes here. That's gonna be hard. I see. Loosen this up so I can adjust it. There it goes. Ouch. Damn. I think that see the problem. I bet you. Because the thing's broke on this one. Yeah, 3 don't hold it, 4 never would have. Woohoo! Well, everything looks like it's lining up. Believe it or not, that's Walmart paint. Am I recording? Yep. Alright, now let's put the lights in the slots. Get them turned on, then get the grill put on. I believe that's what I'm gonna do. Well, there you have it. I got the bumper back on. Walmart paint don't look too bad. Yep. And it works. It works. Headlights on. Left blinker. Right blinker. All down. All down. Not bad for old country boy. Cut the lights off. Excuse me. But nobody got it, I don't think. But the Po S10, all I like now is putting the tag light thingy. I can have tag lights, you don't get pulled over. Okay, close out this video before I lose all the... Too tall. Too short. Hey, y'all. Thank you for watching me put the bumper back on and wire them lights up. Yep. POS S10 is for sale. First $3,000 gets it. Neat stars. You can go check out that video there. That one there. Hit that subscribe button. And PO is the Kung Fu Panda. That's his name, PO.